Alright, hola. Bienvenidos a otro capítulo aquí con Mr. Manny. I'm in the makerspace right now, basically in the studio, and I'm going to be doing lesson 4 conditionals with the farmer. Um, as you can see, there's already a couple of green dots, which means I probably showed one of you. Well, one of you, I'm meeting my students here at my school, which is Los Robles, how to do something. So when we get to that part, it's probably already going to have it filled in. Which is kind of great for at least video time, right? Because then that way you don't have to sit through a video that's like 12 minutes. So, ya sé que ahorita nomás estoy hablando en inglés, pero voy a tratar de hacer los dos idiomas porque pues entiendo que muchos no hablan inglés, and I also understand that some people don't speak Spanish. So, gotta try both. Pueden ver el video, yo no lo voy a ver el video. Pueden ver aquí a la persona que trabaja, es un ingeniero en el Pinterest, es un sitio que pueden encontrar y ver en el internet. I'm not going to watch it. And I think there's another video aquí, y pienso que hay, aquí tenemos que dar una respuesta. So, si estamos mirando aquí, it's like, all right, look closely at the code below. What will happen after you click run? So first it says it's going to move forward. There's a pile. While there is a pile of do remove. So yo digo que cuando llega aquí va a quitar, pues she's going to take one piece out, right? The farmer will not stop removing dirt. I don't know. The farmer will remove dirt as long as there is a pile. Then stop. Dice ocho, and it just says remove. I think, yeah, I think so. Let's see. Yeah, because there's no more pile, so it's going to stop. Cool, got it correct. Move on. Yeah, I think I showed one of my students last week when we met, or earlier this week when I met with my class. So here we go. It says, oh my, so there's a pile. So es igual. It's the exact same program that we just saw. So it's going to tell my character to move forward, the farmer, and then dig until there's no pile left. And so there's a question mark, right? So while and then do. So that's done. We're done. Move forward. Or maybe because I already did it, right? So that's why it's already there. Totally forgot about that. Even though I just told you guys. Se me fue la onda. So here we go. Next one. No, it is taking longer than usual. All right, so here we go. This is what I did for this one. As you can see, it says move forward and there's a pile, and then remove it, and then I put a repeat block around that because it's 3 times we're doing this, right? Porque hay 3 veces que tenemos que llegar a una donde está la tierra, es usándolo una, how do you use this? How do you say shovel? I forgot, dang. I gotta start reading more Spanish books. And then it just keeps moving forward. So I'll run it so you can see. Even the sound is delayed. Cool. See, and then we move forward. All right, so here we go. Now I gotta really try some programming because I haven't seen this one yet. So now the harvester needs to pick all the lettuce. All right. So we're gonna move forward, and then if there's lettuce, si hay lechuga, we're gonna pick the lettuce, right? And then we're gonna do that 3 times. So I'm gonna use a repeat block, el bloque de repetir, which is also called you guessed it, a loop. So we're using a loop. Crushed it. So hey, if you've gone this far and you're watching this video and you're doing the coding in another tab, right? Like you should have another tab right here, and it's the code website, and then you go back and you watch me do it, then you're doing really good. You're doing exactly what I designed these lessons on YouTube for, right? And I hope my students are doing this, but I don't know. I don't think a lot of them are, but it's totally fine, I guess. As long as someone out there is watching these, because, you know, this is probably the 5th one I've done today, and I think my voice is starting to crack and my throat is starting to hurt. But I will keep doing it because I think it's important to program, or at least learn to do something new and different. There's a lot of math concepts. There's a lot of problem solving in these. There's a lot of persistence, because maybe you don't get it right the first time. And I'm an adult, so it's not fair. Like, I can do it pretty well on one try, but it might take you 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20 times to figure it out, and maybe even ask for someone's help. And that's still completely fine because we're learning. So first, let's move forward, and then we're gonna pick lettuce. I see how they have numbers now. I wonder what that does. I hope it doesn't do anything weird. It's still wild lettuce, pick lettuce, right? And then I'm gonna repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe they're trying to trick me. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Still works. So I wonder why they had a number. Maybe they were thinking I would do something weird and different. Maybe. And this is where you gotta trust yourself. You run the program. Y si no trabaja, nomás haces el click al replay or al reset y lo haces otra vez. Repeat until block. Oh, we got Chris Bosh? This has to be old because he doesn't play basketball anymore. I'll leave it up to you to search it on the internet why he doesn't play. He tried, though. He was really good for a hot minute. I'm not going to watch it, so let's just go ahead. Hopefully he doesn't bite me in the butt. So the lettuce is now only at the end of the path. Travel down the path until you reach a head of lettuce, then continue to pick it while there is still some left. Okay, so okay, so how am I going to go? I'm going to move forward, which means it's just going to repeat moving forward until there is a head of lettuce. And then when it stops, repeat until there is lettuce, do forward. And then here is going to be while there's lettuce, pick it. I think I did it right. Let's see. Hey, I stopped. So there you go. Because why? Because now it just says keep going until you get to the lettuce. So you don't have to keep putting repeat, 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 repeat. So now we're using conditions, right? The lettuce is scattered all over the garden. Travel down each path until you reach a head of lettuce. Then continue to pick it while there is still some left. Para los que no pueden leer muy bien o leer como lo leíste, pero no comprendiste lo que estabas leyendo, you push the play button.
The lettuce is scattered all over.
And then it'll read the whole thing for you. I don't want this video to be super long, so I'll pause it. So look, there's 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to use a couple of blocks, right? Primero is repeat until, and then move forward. So that's that part. And then I want to turn right. And then there's, oh, put that down here. And then when the lettuce is there, we're going to pick up the lettuce, right, until there's no more. Is it right? No, we're going to turn left. It's so easy, right? Because I can click here and push turn left. And then I'm going to put this big old simple repeat block inside of it and do 1, 2. I think 2 times. I think. It'll do all of this, and then it'll turn left, and then go 1. I hope. Let's see. I don't. Maybe I. But also good. So it is 3. Sí, ya hice un error. Lo voy a correctar ahorita in real time, and see what happens. Okay, because that's 1. That's 2. I'm going to turn. Cool. Cool. Y vamos a continuar. We'll move forward. We'll continue. This video is starting to be a little longer than I want, so I'm going to try to crush through. So ahora sí, oh, look, it's a cool little pattern. Pero no va a cambiar. Casi va a ser todo igual como lo tenía. So we're going to repeat until while there is lettuce. Right, ¿qué vamos a hacer? Si hay lechuga, we're going to pick it up. And then, si no hay lechuga, ¿qué vamos a hacer? Caminar. Entonces, vamos a ir a la dirección que es la derecha. We're going to turn right, and we're going to put this repeat block inside. Y lo que yo hago es just count the pads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So esto tiene que ser 6. Because lo que vamos a hacer es, va a caminar y ir a la derecha, porque este va 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You heard me, right? So let's run it and see what happens. You can see there's a diamond right here, so I don't know. It's probably if, else, with be, so I think it changes for us. Va a cambiar las cosas. Hopefully it's easy. Come on, thanks. But if we're doing exactly like I'm doing, when we get to these parts, it shouldn't be too difficult because we've been practicing using the blocks that we're supposed to use. So if at flower, do, or else. All right, so that's what we're going to be doing. I got that. So we have a new block. Vamos a tener un bloque nuevo que no hemos visto en el pasado ni en esta lección. So yo les dije a mis estudiantes, si quieren pueden practicar aquí. Let's try it, right? Y si no sale bien, we can just skip it. I'm just going to give it one try. Yo lo voy a tratar de hacer una vez. So if there is a path to the right, we're going to want to go. Let's see. Let's go. Repeat until the lettuce. Move forward, and then while there's lettuce, we're going to pick up the lettuce. Right? So that part, we pick up lettuce. So they're even telling us, then it's even go left. Should I put all this in? If path to the left, go left. Else, go right. Right? Oops. Maybe it's this. I think I want to do it here. And then we're going to repeat. Is that a lot of blocks? Is that enough blocks for me? It's exactly 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to say 7. I probably messed up. So let's. I think I did it right. So there it is. So now we're seeing path. You see the little thing is sending like a Wi-Fi signal. It's like, where can I go? Where can I go? I can only go this way. So cool. All right. Ahora sí, ya nomás tenemos uno más. We only got one left. And if you skipped it, then you didn't have to do that one. Right? This would be your last one. So, okay, here we go. Move forward until you get to the lettuce, then turn left if there is a path to the left. Otherwise, turn right. So, vamos a copiar exactamente lo que tenía yo escrito, right? So that's the cool part. Si hacen, if you do the one we just did, you kind of get a little practice. And then while there's lettuce, right? Those are the blocks we use. We're going to go up. We're going to go first. It says, if there's a path to the left, go left. Otherwise, go right. And then we're going to go move forward. Y adentro vamos a recoger it's actually lechuga. We got, how many times are we doing this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it's 9. So vamos a poner 9. Y ojalá logramos lo que tenemos que hacer en esta lección. Y si no, nomás lo tengo que cambiar, right? And if it doesn't work, I just fix it, and then it'll all work out, hopefully. And that's it. Y eso es todo para esta lección.